A pass the hash (PTH) attack is a method used by attackers to gain unauthorized access to computer systems or networks by exploiting the hashed password credentials of user accounts. In traditional authentication systems, user passwords are stored in hashed form, irreversible encryption, to enhance security. However, in a PTH attack, the attacker bypasses the need for knowing the actual password by stealing and using the hashed password value. The attack typically occurs in environments that use single sign-on (SSO) or Windows authentication protocols, such as the NT-LAN Manager (NTLM) or Kerberos. The attacker first gains access to a computer or server and extracts the hashed password values stored in the local security databases or Active Directory. These hashed passwords are derived from the user's passwords using a one-way cryptographic function. With the hashed passwords in hand, the attacker can execute the PTH attack. Instead of cracking the password hashes, which can be time-consuming and computationally expensive, the attacker simply uses the stolen hash values directly for authentication. They send the hashed password to the target system, impersonating the legitimate user. When the target system receives the hashed password, it compares it to the stored hash value associated with the user account. If the hashes match, the system considers the authentication successful and grants the attacker access to the user's privileges and resources. By passing the hashed password, the attacker avoids the need to know the actual plaintext password. The PTH attack is successful because the hashed password serves as a valid authentication token. The attack can be particularly effective in environments where the same user credentials are used across multiple systems or when systems have weak security configurations or outdated protocols. Once inside the system, the attacker can carry out malicious activities, such as stealing sensitive data, installing malware, or escalating privileges. To mitigate PTH attacks, organizations should employ various security measures, including 1. Implementing strong and unique passwords for each user account. 2. Enforcing multi-factor authentication (MFA) to add an extra layer of security. 3. Using modern and secure authentication protocols like Kerberos and Secure Remote Password (SRP). 4. Regularly patching systems and applications to address vulnerabilities. 5. Monitoring network traffic for suspicious activities, such as multiple authentication attempts or unusual login patterns. 6. Employing intrusion detection and prevention systems, IDS, IPS, to detect and block PTH attacks. 7. Educating users about the importance of password hygiene and the risks of credential theft. By implementing these security practices, organizations can significantly reduce the risk of PTH attacks and enhance the overall security of their systems and networks. Thanks for watching.